If I had zero knowledge, no degree, no experience, no skills, and I had to choose one high-paying career today, I would choose artificial intelligence. Not because it's trending, not because everyone is talking about it, but because AI is not hype. It is the next internet. 25 years ago, the internet changed everything: jobs, businesses, communication, money. Today, AI is creating the same level of transformation. And what you are seeing right now, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, this is just version 1. The real growth that will happen in the next 5 to 7 years, it will go beyond your imagination. So here's the real question. Are you going to watch this revolution, or are you going to participate in it? In this video, I'm giving you a complete beginner-friendly AI crash course. No technical background required, no coding experience required, and yes, everything I will talk about can be learned using free AI tools. Because right now, and listen carefully, we are living in the best time to learn AI. Why? Because companies like Google, OpenAI, Meta, and others are providing powerful AI tools for free or with generous free limits. They are experimenting, they are competing, they want developers and learners to use their platforms. This is the golden window, and we must use it. So stay till the end, because I will also tell you how to keep yourself updated in AI without feeling overwhelmed. Let's begin. This video is especially for people who think, I don't have a fancy degree, I don't have connections, I don't have experience. But if you have one thing, the ability to work consistently, AI has space for you. In AI, there are 3 career paths. You can get a job, you can freelance, you can build your own AI-based business. And by the end of this video, you will understand which path can fit you and how to start from zero. But first, let's understand AI in the simplest way possible. You are already using AI every day. When Netflix recommends movies based on what you watched, that's AI. When YouTube suggests videos similar to what you clicked, that's AI. When Amazon shows you ads of the same product again and again, that's AI. This is called integrated AI, AI working inside apps. Then we have tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. You go to them, you type something, they give you an answer. This is called standalone AI. And then there is custom AI, built for specific tasks, for example, fraud detection in banking systems. So even before learning AI, you are already living inside it. Now imagine what happens when you actually understand it. Stay with me, now it gets interesting. At the foundation of AI, there is something called machine learning. Think of it like teaching a child. You show a child a picture and say, "This is a cat." You repeat it many times. Eventually, the child recognizes a cat. Similarly, machines are trained with data. Gmail automatically sending spam emails to spam folder, that's machine learning. Spotify recommending songs based on your taste, machine learning. Google Pictures automatically organizing your pictures, machine learning. Now let's go one level deeper. This is where things become powerful. It's called deep learning. Deep learning works using something similar to the human brain, neural networks. Face unlock in your phone? That's deep learning. Alexa understanding your voice? Deep learning. Google Translate converting languages? Deep learning. Self-driving cars detecting objects? That's called computer vision, a part of deep learning. Understanding human language? That's NLP, natural language processing. Now pause for a moment and think. Machines can see, machines can hear, machines can understand language. What kind of opportunities does this create? Keep watching, because now we talk about what you can actually do with it. Today, AI is mainly divided into 2 powerful categories: generative AI, AI agents. Generative AI is what most people are using. You give it instructions, it generates text, code, images, videos. Simple. But AI agents are different. Generative AI gives output. AI agents complete tasks. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to build a website, it gives you code, but it cannot launch it for you. An AI agent can write the code, build the site, deploy it, make it live, even monitor it. It can automate your daily tasks, send reports, manage workflows, handle customer support. Companies love this because automation saves time and time saves money. That's why learning AI agents and automation can make your future very strong. And the best part is, you can start learning this using free platforms right now. Now let's talk practically. Which tools should beginners start with? First, ChatGPT. Second, Gemini. Third, Perplexity for research. Fourth, Notebook LM for organizing knowledge. These tools have powerful free versions, and right now, companies are offering free credits and experimental access to attract users. This is the time to experiment. Automate your small tasks, summarize your notes, write emails, analyze data, generate ideas. Don't just consume AI, use it daily. Because AI skill doesn't come from watching videos, it comes from practicing with tools, and tools are free, for now. So use them. Now let's talk about something extremely important: prompt engineering. AI is powerful, but it is not magic. If your instructions are unclear, your output will be unclear. Let me give you a simple framework. R for role, C for context, A for ask, F for format. Whenever you talk to AI, tell it who it should act as, what background it should know, what you exactly want, and in which format you want it. This simple structure will immediately improve your results. And if you want a complete deep dive course on prompt engineering, comment yes. If enough people want it, I will create a detailed step-by-step guide. Now let's talk honestly. In the beginning, AI may feel confusing. Too many tools, too many updates, too many new features. But remember, the best developers today were once beginners too. What made them different? Consistency. Do something small every day. Learn one feature, test one tool, automate one task. And here's something very important. Keep yourself updated. AI is evolving weekly. New features, new models, new free tools, new APIs. Follow official blogs from Google, follow updates from OpenAI, explore new AI tools regularly. There are many free AI courses available from companies like Google and OpenAI. They are teaching their own tools for free. Why? Because they want people to build on their platforms. This is a rare opportunity. Use it. The real money in AI is not in watching videos. It is in doing the same boring practice every day. Learning may feel slow in the beginning, but when your salary increases, you get a remote job, you start freelancing, you build your own automated system, that day you will realize starting today was the best decision. So don't wait for the perfect moment. This is the moment. Stay curious, stay consistent. Keep learning, and most importantly, keep updating yourself with new AI tools and features. Because in the AI era, the one who learns fast wins fast.